Have you ever thought about growing your own tea garden? Imagine the delight of nurturing your own plants, the fresh aroma of homegrown tea leaves, and the thrill of experimenting with different tea types. Growing your own tea garden is not only rewarding but also incredibly fascinating. To start your tea garden, you need to understand the basics. Your tea plants, specifically Camellia sinensis, will thrive in a particular type of climate, soil, and sunlight. They prefer a cooler climate with high humidity. As for the soil, it should be acidic, well-drained, and rich in organic matter. Sunlight is also crucial. These plants love partial shade to full sun. With the right conditions, your tea plants will flourish and you will be on your way to enjoying your own homegrown tea. Once you've planted your tea seeds, it's important to care for them properly. Just like any other plant, your tea plants need a balance of water, sunlight, and nutrients. Regular watering is crucial, but remember, tea plants dislike sitting in water, so ensure your soil drains well. Pruning is another essential step, stimulating new growth and maintaining the plant's health. Lastly, don't forget to fertilize. A well-fed plant is a happy plant. With proper care, your tea plants will grow healthy and strong, ready for harvesting. Now comes the most rewarding part, harvesting and enjoying your homegrown tea. When the time is right, pick only the top 2 leaves and the bud. These tender parts make the finest tea. Once picked, you'll want to dry the leaves. This can be done naturally in the shade or with a dehydrator. When they're dry, steep them in hot water. The waiting is over and the fruits of your labor are ready to be enjoyed. So there you have it, your own homegrown tea ready to be savored. Growing your own tea garden is a fulfilling and delightful experience. From sowing the first seeds, nurturing the plants, to savoring your very own brew, it's a journey worth every effort. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy tea growing!